Get ready to have your minds blown because guess what? Apple's unleashing a manufacturing revolution, and the batteries powering the incredible iPhone 16 are about to roll off the production line in none other than vibrant India. Can you believe it? Hold on to your gadgets because this news is the tech bomb we've all been waiting for. Apple wants more of its awesome iPhones powered by batteries proudly made in India. Why? Because it's part of their big plan to mix things up and spread their manufacturing magic. They've even given the task to Desay from Shenzhen and Simplo Technology from Taiwan, the real MVPs in making batteries. But why India is doing that? Well, tensions between China and the US are pushing Apple to explore new manufacturing spots. India's already been helping out. They made the iPhone 15 too. And guess what? Apple's not just stopping there, they're setting up fancy stores in India too. Tata Group, a massive Indian company, is even taking over Apple suppliers' operations. They're getting things done! Sure, India's not as speedy as China in making stuff, and they might need to work on their roads and trains for quicker deliveries. And yes, there are some rules slowing things down after a bit of tension at the border. But you know what? India's on the rise. Hold on to your hats. TDK, a Japanese company working with Apple, is setting up a massive facility in India to make batteries for iPhones. How cool is that? The production will start in 2025. Now check out these mind-blowing numbers. Foxconn, Apple's big shot supplier, is dropping a whopping $1.5 billion on a new factory in India. 14 out of 17. Chinese suppliers given the green signal by Apple to operate in India. That's a big thumbs up! Apple exported iPhones worth a massive $5 billion from India between April and October. That's some serious growth. What a tech journey, right? From iPhone 16 batteries made in India to Apple's billion-dollar moves with Foxconn and jaw-dropping growth in iPhone exports. It's like witnessing the birth of a tech giant all over again. Dive into the world of innovation, subscribe to stay tuned, and ride this tech wave into a future filled with wonders.